Red or blue pill, why the truth can be too hard to swallow. Is it better to ignore the harshness of reality and to be blinded from the truth? Or is it more preferable to know the entire picture and to see things as they are? At first glance, it seems obvious. Who would willingly want to believe in lies? However, if another variable were introduced, happiness, how would it affect the decision then? Ignorance meant bliss, and knowledge meant to suffer from the truth, then which path would you take? I do believe that knowing the truth, although it may be hurtful in the short term, would ultimately provide a potential for greater satisfaction. However, willful ignorance is the better path when it comes to the majority that do not reach such lofty heights in their lives. Let me go into my first example. Say you are extremely hungry, so you want to visit a nice fancy restaurant, perhaps in Paris. They serve amazing food. Critics rave about how refreshing each take on seemingly pedestrian dishes is. However, unbeknownst to you, the horror. Rats are infiltrating the kitchen. A rat is cooking every meal. How disgusting. Yet, you enjoyed your meal. Did you not? Was it not the best ratatouille you've ever had? Was it not magnifique? If you had known the truth, your reservations due to your belief of food safety standards would have denied you an amazing meal, courtesy of the boy Remy. Bon appetit. The blessing and burden of uninhibited access to internet also poses another problem in the lives of the masses. With the emergence of social media, celebrities and the rise of idol culture has grown exponentially. Teenagers see the prominence of TikTok stars, celebrities, all these pretty faces on the screen that often align with European beauty standards, mind that, and think of themselves as somehow lesser. Putting individuals on pedestals has always been apparent in society. However, with the rise of social media, the number of pedestals has multiplied countless numbers of times. The constant comparisons can eat away at the minds of teens and pretty much anyone else. I'll never be as successful, I'll never be as hot, never be as rich, never become a doctor, never become this, that, and whatever. Ignorance of these models may lead teens to focus on their own goals and not worry about the lives of others that do not affect them in any way whatsoever. In conclusion, I believe that the blue pill, in other words, accepting a false reality and living in ignorance, is the better and more realistic choice for most people. In Matrix, what if Neo never came out on top? What if we never won? What if you miss out on the pleasures of life because you're too focused on having your life follow an idealized truth? Truth is what you make of it. If lies lead to more happiness, then that should be the path to follow.